Sophie, it's Bernard. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you come here enjoying this too. Going to have an archery tournament too. Take care now. Bye.
Hey! Happy birthday! I'm here with Patrick, and he says you're his best friend's sister. Well, I hope you have lots of fun on your birthday, and that he gets you a really nice present here in Disney World, alright? That's pretty hard.
Hello there, Sophie. I do hear it's your birthday, so I do hope you have lots of fun and have a wonderful adventure. Happy birthday, Sophie. I wish you were here to see me. Maybe you can come by soon. Goodbye.
Hi, Sophie. Happy birthday. My name is Mulan, and I hope you get to see me next time when you come over here. And have a wonderful birthday.
Hello, Sophie. Happy birthday. And always remember, if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true. Why, hello, Princess Sophie. I hear it's your birthday today. Hope all of your wishes come true.